chasing someone. Love with all your heart.
So guys, what's poppin'? I'm back in 2018, and since it's 2018, I thought I would try something. Oh, so now you guys want to text me when I'm recording, alright? Okay, what I was saying was, since it's 2018, I thought I would try something new with my channel. And well, not this exact thing, but I've seen like Alissa Ashley. I've seen her channel where she does that Mystery Monday thing. Well, I'm not gonna do that, but I thought it would be a cool idea if I took pictures as inspiration for my makeup looks. So I have 6 pictures right here on my phone. They're just pictures of scenery. And stop texting me. But yeah, I just thought it would be a cool idea to blindly choose one of these 6 images and use that as inspiration for my makeup look. So I'm just gonna swipe through a couple of times to see what picture that I get, and I'm gonna close my eyes while doing this, so you can't say I'm cheating. I'm gonna show you guys my phone while I'm choosing. Okay, I was actually hoping that I would get this one. It's just like a blue, white, and brown scenery. There's really not that many different colors with this one, but I thought it would be a pretty look to do with like blue and white since it's winter time. Yeah, these were the other pictures in case I didn't swipe all the way through. Okay, so as you can tell, I already have the rest of my face makeup done. I didn't contour or anything like that. I just put my foundation, eyebrows, and then I put some eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna get started with a look with these 3 colors, white, brown, and blue. I have no clue what I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna go with it, so bear with me. I'm just gonna be taking my Morphe 350M palette. Like always, I always use this palette, but I'm just gonna take this shade, these 3 shades right here, and use it as a base. Okay, so I'm looking at it, and I think I'm going to do some sort of cut crease eye look. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but just know I think it's gonna be a cut crease. I'm almost done. I'm just gonna apply some brown liquid lipstick to finish the look and add some falsies. I almost forgot to do my lower lash line. Before I put my lipstick on, I forgot to tell you guys to subscribe. Yeah, you watching, I know you didn't subscribe, so I'm just gonna wait for you. Did you subscribe yet? No? Why didn't you subscribe? Please, just subscribe. The button's right there. I'm still waiting. Okay, so yeah, now I'm gonna put my lipstick on. Okay guys, this is the finished look, and here's a side-by-side with the actual photo and my makeup look. I'll probably add in the actual picture in the screen so you guys can see it better. And yeah, that's it. All of my social media handles are down below in the description, and I'll probably add them on the screen somewhere here. Remember to subscribe if you didn't earlier on in the video. Like, comment, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, add me on Snapchat. You guys can reach out to me there. I answer all of my mentions and DMs, so yeah, just talk to me there. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.